Cultural bias in all human events is always a distorting factor, especially in hiring. The warped lens of bigotry and ignorance cuts both ways on the hiring and candidate side, even subliminally and without intent. Many women and minorities culturally feel they are unable to climb higher, that the odds within a predominantly white male society are impossibly against them. Those who don't feel included often tend to make themselves small and effectively disappear into the substructures of society, as the statistics on inclusion clearly show. To truly make an impact, to do what is right, not only in this industry, but as a society as a whole, we must give people a helping hand up. People need to be encouraged and included. People need to be able to see inside the doorway of opportunity so that they can acquire a sense of personal possibilities. We are, each of us and all of us collectively, organisms in the whole of humanity. We are interconnected emotionally, intellectually, and physically, whether we realize this or not. Every loss of possibility or hope diminishes us all. Every triumph lifts us together. Today, the internet is the most powerfully liberating force in history. People of every type from every part of the world connect and interact. The users and people affected by technology are diverse. The people behind your technology should be too.